Morning, another day, another walk. In Scotland today, gonna take on the mighty Ben Nevis. It's gonna be a hell of a journey. So, let's get on with it, eh? I knew this wouldn't take long. So that's the campsite where we are camping, and then we're going down to the visitors centre down there, and then we've just followed the path up. Then the path loops around here, goes in between these two hills, then you head further up. Let's go. Starting to get a little windy actually. My tripod blew over. I'll show you the footage, or you've just seen it. Hopefully the camera works and I'll be able to show you this. Following this stream up the valley, and then we'll start to see Ben soon. Wind's picking up. A really nice waterfall there. Starting to look a bit more like a mountain territory now. Can't see any houses down. A bit of snow up top, I'll show you that in a sec. Really good. So if you didn't know already, Ben Nevis is the highest peak in the British Isles, standing at 1,345 metres. Off the top of my head, I think that's 4,414, something like that, feet. I'll put it on the screen. I'll tell you some more stats in a bit. We just followed part of this waterfall up, and then we're joining onto the main path now to go up to the top. So stay tuned. If you're enjoying it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's very windy still, and the path's really nice laid out, rocky, but lots of grip at the same time. So really nice path to be fair. Probably just over halfway, so we'll keep trudging on. First bit of snow of the day, bow straight there, standard. Loves it, loves it. So, there has been a number of deaths and injuries on Ben Nevis, but as you might have seen from the background, it's accessible to pretty much everybody as long as you've got that standard of fitness. Just gotta be safe, take some things with you and let people know what you're doing, but it is for everybody really. So if you got a chance, highly recommend getting out, coming up to Scotland and having a walk up Ben Nevis. If you don't fancy that, you can watch this video and see what the top's like. And yes, Bowie's in the snow again. That, wouldn't even know that's Scotland, would you? Looks like a different world. Crazy. Let's get to the top. Problem is, I think that's a fake summit. So we're going to get over that and then get to the summit. I think about 200 metres left of ascent. So let's keep going. So at the moment we're almost at the top, but it's a bit of a whiteout. So fingers crossed we'll actually push through the cloud and we might get some views on the top. Well, we're hoping anyway. Famous little building there. And then the trig. We've got to go touch the trig, haven't we? It's like the law. Still a white out at the minute, but we'll stay here for a bit and see if it clears. Headed back down the mountain now. Was up there for about 10-15 minutes and the cloud didn't clear. Couldn't stay much longer because of the dogs getting cold, so started heading back down now. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe, because although we didn't get the perfect view today, soon, probably next year now, we're going to hopefully be doing the national 3 peaks in 24 hours. So, fingers crossed that we'll get decent views then. Back at the waterfall now, making our way down. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? I love a nice waterfall. Might have a climb up, see what time's like. See, the way we came up with this route here, it's like a shortcut, cuts a corner out. But we're gonna go back a longer way because there's like a little lake or a loch in Scotland that we're gonna check out. So there it is, and we're gonna go right there, so vroom. So I think it's just about time for me to have a little paddle in there for walking back down. It's the same way, so I'm going to sign off from here. If you've enjoyed it, make sure you hit that thumbs up, and any messages, leave them in the comments down below. Thank you. And please subscribe, because it helps the channel, and you get to see more fantastic adventures like this. I'm just having a paddle. I think he's a better man than me. Whew, it's a bit nippy. I'm not very good with cold water. I need to get better because apparently it's really good for you. So, as long as I don't fall with this camera, I'm alright. Damn! I think that's as deep as I'm going. Woo! Go swimming to the other side. Go on, boat! So I've done my paddle, so I'm signing off from Rob, and another day, another walk.